Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video fans and my YouTube channel fans. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect Wi-Fi in our Tecno phone. Friends, which network guys you have connected and guys you want to disconnect. So friends, how can you disconnect? In this video fans I am going to show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to disconnect guys your Wi-Fi network. So we will turn on our phone setting and guys scroll and guys you can see Wi-Fi setting, guys tap here. So once you can see guys, I have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi and guys I want to disconnect this network. So friends, how can I disconnect? So friends, press on Wi-Fi network and guys you can see disconnect and forget option. So if you want to disconnect, so we will click on disconnect option. So Wi-Fi network will disconnect guys, and guys you want to use this Wi-Fi, so you will have to tap here, then it will connect automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in a Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye friends.